Now, a lot of times workflows are confused with agents. Workflows are not agents. Agents are typically autonomous. Workflows are where you have, defined tasks and you have LLM calls chained with each other to do those defined tasks. And this is a much easier, much more deterministic and much more reliable way of doing things. Whereas with autonomous agents, you lose a little bit of reliability when it comes to autonomous agents. This is something that you will see is a very common pattern with agents. And this is also going to lead to one of its biggest security issues, where the agent can completely go off the rails, right? It can go berserk, which means that if that agent has too many capabilities and privileges and tools, it can literally go and start doing things that it's not supposed to do based on a user's malicious input, which is basically prompt injection. Now, if the user, instead of doing this, decides to interact with the database and steal some information, that is also something that an AI agent can facilitate if it has that kind of capability. So you will see that this behavior of an agent, where it is autonomous and non-deterministic, is something that can cause agents to have security issues. And that is some of the core security concerns with AI agents, and that they can start making decisions that are not really properly accounted for, or the fact that users can manipulate the input, and through that the agent can be tricked into doing something it should not do, very much like injection. And remember, agents have access to tools, which means they can make changes to your internal systems and do certain things. So the use of agents has to be very carefully considered. And in cases where workflows are enough, right?